More than 4,500 years ago, the ancient Egyptians began building the pyramids, which are considered one of the greatest wonders of the world. But how were these massive structures built? The Egyptians built the pyramids using advanced engineering techniques. They used simple tools like wooden scaffolds and copper tools, along with limestone blocks. The stones were transported from distant quarries using wooden sledges, which were dragged over wet surfaces to reduce friction. Studies have shown that the Egyptians used water channels to transport the heavy stones, making the transportation process easier. Building the pyramids required precise planning. The engineers used ancient measuring tools like the large scale and level to ensure the accuracy of the construction. The pyramids were usually built on the banks of the Nile to facilitate the transportation of materials by boats. The workers who built the pyramids were not slaves, but skilled laborers. They lived in villages near the construction sites, where food and shelter were provided. Building a single pyramid could require about 20,000 to 30,000 workers. The ancient Egyptians used advanced architectural techniques. For example, the Great Pyramid was built from about 2.3 million stone blocks placed with precision. The pyramids contain complex channels and corridors used for transporting materials and workers. Some of the most famous pyramids: the Pyramid of Khufu, the Great Pyramid. This is the most famous and largest pyramid, originally standing at about 146.6 meters tall and containing approximately 2.3 million stone blocks. Today, the pyramids remain one of the greatest achievements of ancient civilization and continue to attract attention and admiration from people around the world.